Today, we'll be comparing two popular design software programs, SmartDraw and Sketchup. Both are highly versatile and used by professionals and hobbyists alike for a range of projects, from architectural design to event planning. But how do they stack up against each other? We'll consider several aspects, including features, pricing, user experience, and more to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Let's start with features. SketchUp offers a powerful, professional-grade 3D modeling platform, great for architects, interior designers, and game developers. It has a focus on spatial design and visualization. SmartDraw, on the other hand, is more of a diagram tool with a broad range of templates for flowcharts, org charts, floor plans, and more. It's not as focused on 3D modeling, but excels in 2D diagramming. Now let's talk about pricing. SketchUp has a tiered pricing model, starting free for personal use, then $299 per year for professional use, and up to $1,199 per year for advanced features. SmartDraw, however, offers a single user license for $297 per year with additional costs for multiple users. For businesses, the cost per user decreases as more licenses are bought, so your budget and needs will dictate which is more cost-effective. User experience is crucial. SketchUp's interface is clean and intuitive, but the 3D modeling can have a steep learning curve for beginners. SmartDraw is generally easier to use, with drag and drop functionality and a simple interface. It also offers tutorials and guides to help users navigate its features. Both offer mobile applications, but SmartDraws is more robust, allowing for more on-the-go functionality. In terms of integrations and compatibility, SketchUp integrates with Google Earth and other 3D warehouse software, which can be a huge plus for architectural design. SmartDraw integrates with popular platforms like Microsoft Office, Google Workspace, and Atlassian's Trello and Confluence, making it a more versatile choice for collaborative work environments. Both SmartDraw and SketchUp perform well on most modern systems. SketchUp might require more powerful hardware for complex 3D modeling tasks. As for security, both use encryption to protect user data, but SmartDraw has an edge with its SOC 2 Type 2 certification, a rigorous third-party audit that verifies their security practices. Both offer customer support, but SmartDraw provides more comprehensive support, including phone and email support, plus a robust online help center. SketchUp support is mostly limited to online resources. In terms of scalability, both can accommodate growing businesses, but SketchUp's tiered pricing model may be more cost-effective for small businesses that anticipate growing quickly. So, who's the winner? For its versatility, ease of use, and broad integration capabilities, SmartDraw comes out on top. It caters to a wider range of users, from business professionals to educators, and its robust support network makes it a reliable choice. The pricing is straightforward and more affordable for small to medium-sized teams. However, SketchUp remains a strong contender for those specifically needing 3D modeling capabilities. Thank you for joining us in this detailed comparison of SmartDraw and SketchUp. We hope this information helps you make the best choice for your needs. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more comparison videos like this one. We appreciate your support.